Slowly kisses passing by.
This video is kindly sponsored by Notion. So if you don't know what Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can literally organize every aspect of your life. Trust me, this is a life-changing thing. I've been using Notion over a year now and I cannot explain how useful it is. Like, this is the only reason why I'm able to balance between YouTube and my personal life. So let me show you guys what my Notion setup look like. Nothing much actually changed. I've been using the same template because I don't want to change this. I'm kind of liking it. So I have a weekly agenda, then a quick note, a daily planner, and a new addition, which is a new chapter for 2022. I haven't completed it. It is a work in progress. The cover page and the icon is same from last time. I haven't changed it yet, but I'm thinking I should change it. So this is my weekly agenda, and over here I have my milestones for the week. So here I write down the things that I have to get done by that week, and this is the overview of my weekly plan. So over here I have all the days of the week, and then I have my to-do list along with notes. And that is the place, notes is a place where I literally write down all of my emotions. I just cleared it out because I don't want you guys to see my emotions, because every day is a different emotion. So then I have my habit tracker where I track all of my small habits that I've been trying. So that's all for this page. Now let's move on to the next one, which is quick note. Now this is pretty much the same from last time. I did not change anything. It's just the same. And I write down things like whatever I feel like. Then I have my to-do list. This is a master to-do list for the month. So over here I just write down all the things that I want to do in that particular month. And down here I have important dates and work. This is where I mark all the work thing, like uploading a video and stuff like that. Now comes my favorite page, which is the daily plan. This is my routine where I literally write down my routine because I've been trying to follow a routine, and this is it. So here comes my next page, which is like, I'm trying to be aesthetic over here. So I have a theme going on, and then it's not done yet. It's a work in progress, as I've said. So here I wrote down the blessings, what I'm grateful for and stuff like that. Then I have a whole page dedicated for lessons that I've learned throughout the year. Well, that is important to learn a lesson and write it down. Well, that's pretty much it. I have to complete the rest of this page. I'll be doing that soon. It's really like I don't have time to complete it. That's why it's lagging a bit. So, well, that's all for my Notion tool. If you guys want to organize your life digitally, then sign up for free. I'll provide a link in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. and I almost completed all of the tasks that I had for today. Only zoology is left, which is like kind of like easy one, and so I am going to complete that. It's only parts of cockroach, only the mouth part is only thing I have to do, so I'm gonna do that. And also I have to edit this video right after this, so that is going to be the last thing I'll be doing. And most probably I'll have to pull an all-nighter to complete editing this video. It's because this video is due tomorrow, and it's 13 January, and I have to upload this video tomorrow. And also I have school, so I don't know how this is going to end, but I certainly cannot avoid it. So without further ado, let's get started. I got this lovely K-pop photo cards from an Instagram page called Rose Cloud. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll provide a link in the description box down below. Make sure to check them out. These cards really made my wall look pretty, and I am loving them. Is this? Oh. This type. I can't see anything. Oops. Okay. It's not working good. I don't see anything. Okay. Oh, I got it. That is awesome. I have to sit down. So I guess that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.